Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Honeywell HEPA Filter R is probably one of the most essential investments you can make for your home's air quality, especially if you or your loved ones suffer from allergies, asthma, or are simply looking to create a healthier living environment free from airborne irritants like dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke. This advanced filtration system is designed to capture a significant percentage of these microscopic particles, ensuring that the air you breathe indoors is cleaner and fresher, contributing to better respiratory health and overall well-being. Number 5. Honeywell HEPA Air Purifier Filter R. Ensure optimal performance with genuine Honeywell HEPA Filter R. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Honeywell air purifier for a cleaner home. This filter effectively captures 99.97% of airborne allergens and particles. It targets common irritants like dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke. It's engineered to fit a range of Honeywell air purifier models, including the HPA 100, 200, and 300 series. This ensures a perfect fit and maximum efficiency. Improve your home's air quality and neutralize odors year-round. Trust Honeywell for a cleaner, healthier breathing experience. Experience effective air cleaning and circulation, filtering and refreshing the air up to 4.8 times per hour. For best results, replace the HEPA filter once a year. While compatible filters exist, only genuine Honeywell filters guarantee the same performance and efficiency. Choose the original for peace of mind. What we like. This is a genuine Honeywell filter, ensuring the best performance for your air purifier. It captures 99.97% of airborne allergens like dust, pollen, and pet dander. If you prioritize guaranteed compatibility and peak efficiency for your Honeywell HPA 100,200,300 series, this is the choice for you. What people say. The Honeywell HEPA Filter R is a genuine Honeywell part and fits perfectly. It effectively captures dust, allergens, and pet dander, improving air quality. The filter is easy to install and replace, requiring no special tools. Number 4. VEVA HPA 300 HEPA Filter Replacement. Introducing the VEVA HPA 300 HEPA Filter Replacement. Designed to keep your air pure and your home healthy. This pack includes 3 HEPA filters, ensuring long-lasting performance. Experience a noticeable difference in your home's air quality. Each filter comes with 4 pre-cut activated carbon pre-filters. These effectively capture odors and pollutants for cleaner air. Specifically designed for compatibility with Honeywell air purifiers. Enjoy a seamless replacement process. Replacing your filters is simple and quick. Maintain optimal air purification and enjoy a fresher living environment. This 3-pack offers great value, ensuring you have replacements ready. Keep your air purifier running efficiently for months to come. What we like. This pack offers a great value with 3 HEPA filters and 4 activated carbon pre-filters. It's designed for households with pets, cooking, or smokers, effectively trapping odors and purifying your home. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that tackles common household odors and allergens, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Honeywell HEPA Filter R is a genuine Honeywell product, ensuring compatibility and quality. It effectively captures dust, allergens, and other airborne particles, improving indoor air quality. The filter is designed for easy installation and replacement, making maintenance hassle-free. Number 3. VEVA HEPA Filter Replacement 6-pack. Keep your living space healthy and clean with our premium HEPA replacement filters. They are essential for maintaining fresh air. Perfect for homes with pets, cooking, or smokers, these filters effectively trap odors and purify your air. Enjoy a cleaner home environment. Our high-quality filters capture unwanted particles as small as 0.3 microns. Breathe easier knowing your air is being purified. This pack includes 6 premium HEPA filters, offering great value and ensuring you always have replacements on hand. You'll never run out. These filters are designed for a precision fit with compatible Honeywell air purifier series. Enjoy easy replacement and optimal performance. What we like. This is a fantastic value pack offering 6 premium HEPA filters, ensuring you have a long-term supply. It's perfect for households with pets, cooking, or smokers, as it works to trap odors and purify your living space. If you want to stock up and ensure continuous clean air without frequent reordering, this 6-pack is ideal. What people say. The Honeywell HEPA Filter R is a genuine Honeywell product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with compatible Honeywell air purifiers. This filter is designed to capture up to 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke, contributing to cleaner indoor air. The filter is easy to install and replace, requiring no special tools or expertise, making maintenance of your air purifier a simple task. Number 2. APPLIANCEMATES HEPA 300 Replacement Filters. Ensure your Honeywell air purifier runs at its best with our perfectly compatible replacement filters. Designed for models HEPA 300, HEPA 304, HEPA 3300, HEPA 5300, HEPA 5350, and HEPA 8350, they fit seamlessly without any cutting. This kit includes 3 true HEPA R filters and 6 A carbon pre-filters. Regular replacement, typically the HEPA R filter annually and the pre-filter every 3 months, keeps your unit highly effective. Our HEPA R filters, comparable to part numbers HRF R3, HRF R2, and HRF R1, are designed for optimal performance. They measure 6.5 by 1.6 by 10.2 inches, ensuring a proper fit for your air purifier. The 6-pack of pre-cut A carbon pre-filters is made with activated carbon. They are ideal for homes with pets, cooking odors, or smoke, helping to capture larger particles and smells effectively. Crafted from high-quality HEPA H13 MERV17 material, our filters minimize air resistance and maximize airflow. We use advanced manufacturing and strict quality control to deliver superior performance for your home's air quality. Choose APPLIANCEMATES for reliable and efficient air purification. Our filters are engineered for maximum effectiveness, helping you maintain a cleaner and healthier living environment. What we like. This combo pack provides both 3 HEPA filters and 6 pre-cut activated carbon pre-filters, offering a comprehensive solution. It's made with H13 HEPA material for high performance and is particularly suitable for homes with pets, cooking, and smoking. If you need a complete filter replacement kit that addresses both particles and odors effectively, this is a great choice. What people say. The Honeywell HEPA Filter R is a genuine Honeywell part and fits perfectly. It effectively captures dust, allergens, and pet dander, improving air quality. Number 1. Blutoget HEPA 300 Air Purifier Filter Replacement. Introducing the HEPA 300 Air Purifier Filter Replacement, designed to fit Honeywell air purifiers. This filter ensures your air remains clean and fresh. It's compatible with a wide range of Honeywell models, including HEPA 300, HEPA 200, and HEPA 090 series. This ensures a perfect fit for your device. Get exceptional value with this pack, which includes 6 replacement filters. Keep your air purifier running efficiently for longer periods. Our filters utilize upgraded electrostatic filtration technology to capture 99.7% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. They also effectively remove unpleasant odors. Replacing the filter is simple and takes just a few minutes. We recommend changing it every 6 to 12 months for optimal performance. Made from premium, durable materials, these filters are built to last. We offer a 90-day after-sales service for your peace of mind. What we like. This pack includes 6 high-efficiency H13 HEPA filters, providing a substantial supply for your air purifier. It's designed to capture 99.7% of particles and remove odors, making it ideal for homes with smokers or open kitchens. If you're looking for a cost-effective, high-performance filter solution with the added peace of mind of a 90-day guarantee, this is a strong contender. What people say. The Honeywell HEPA Filter R is a genuine OEM product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with compatible Honeywell air purifiers. This filter effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke, contributing to cleaner indoor air. The filter is designed for easy installation and replacement, making maintenance of your air purifier a hassle-free process. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.